This is how to fix Nintendo Switch not charging. So let's say, for example, you have it docked and it is not charging for some reason. What I would recommend you to do first is make sure that the Joy-Cons are connected stable and correctly, and see if this fixes. If it is not fixed, then take out your Nintendo Switch out of the dock, and then take the charger from the Switch out of the dock, and then connect the charger manually to the Switch. So you just plug it in here on the bottom and use the official Nintendo Switch charger. Plug this in directly and see if your Nintendo Switch charges. So if you now have changed the power source from which you are connecting your charger and it still doesn't work, then maybe there is a problem with the official Nintendo charger. I would recommend taking another third-party charger that has Type-C USB slot and then plugging that in and see if that charges your device. Though it is not recommended to use third-party chargers on your Nintendo Switch, just the official one. Last thing you would want to do is maybe you have a locked screen and you are not noticing the charge effect. So keep the power button pressed for 12 seconds in order to force shut down your device. As you can see, it will bypass the closing console option. And now open it again. And once it has booted up, connect the Type-C charger to the console and plug it in the power source and see if it now charges up correctly. Now you know how to fix Nintendo Switch not charging.